Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make bootable USB drive for Windows 10. And also guys, the process which we are going to use is the official one. We are not going to use the third-party app. This process is reliable, safe and genuine. But before we start, make sure that your USB drive should be of size 8 GB and the USB drive should be empty. If something is there, that will be deleted permanently. So once you're sure about it, just go and open a browser, and here we need to type download media creation tool. Then on the first side we need to click on, now scroll a bit, and here you will see the option for create Windows 10 installation media. So this is the file which we need to download. So just click on download now. Here your file will start downloading, and yeah, here you can see we have downloaded the file. So we just need to open it. The file I have downloaded is in the download folder, here you can see. So we just need to hit right click and click on open here, and yeah, you can see the process is started. So you will see the terms and condition page. So we just need to accept the terms and conditions. Then here we need to select this second option, create installation media. Then again click on next, then uncheck this box and select the language. Here I'll just select English. Then here you need to select the Windows 10, and here in the architecture you need to select either 32-bit, 64-bit, and in case if you want to make this bootable pendrive for both architecture, you can just select both. But I want to make it for 64-bit. I'll just select this and just click on next. Next we need to select this on USB flash drive and just click on next again. And yeah, here you will see your pen drive which you have connected. But in case if you don't see it, just click on refresh drive list, and once it is selected, just click on next again. And yeah guys, here you can see the downloading process is started. So downloading will take some time depending on your internet speed as well as what architecture you have selected. In 64-bit it will the size of 5 GB, but if you have selected 32-bit architecture, it will be of size 2 to 3 GB. And yeah guys, here you can see we are getting the message your USB flash drive is ready. So here in this window we just need to click on finish. Now if I go and open my file explorer, here you can see our USB drive is converted into bootable USB drive for Windows 10. And yeah, that's it. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.